Someone told me that I should not begin prayers while the Adhan is being called, and that I should either begin it before the Adhan or after it has completed. Is it authentic?
What kind of prayers are you doing?
All voluntary and obligatory. All of them. He was like I should.
Okay.
So,
First of all, it is not permissible to offer fard prayers before the adhan. So the instruction that were given to you is invalid to tell you that you should pray either before or after the adhan. Fard prayer, it is invalid. If you pray Maghrib prayer 30 seconds before sunset, 30 seconds, your prayer is invalid. Secondly, what they told you that it is not permissible to pray while the adhan is ongoing is totally bogus and wrong. Whether you're praying fard prayers or you're praying nawafil or rawatib or voluntary prayers, while the adhan is being called, whatever you pray is valid. Thirdly, is it best? The answer is no. Why? Because we know the great reward that the Prophet has placed alayhi salatu wassalam over repeating after the mu'adhin every statement he says, Allahu Akbar, we say Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. When he says Hayya ala salati twice, we say La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah twice. And likewise with Hayya ala al-falah. And then we say at the conclusion La ilaha illallah, and we offer salutation upon the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam. And then we ask Allah the dua, Allahumma rabba hadhihi ad-da'wati at-tamma was-salati al-qa'imah ati Muhammadan al-wasilata wal-fadila wa ba'athu Allahumma al-maqam al-mahmud alladhi wa'adta. And whoever does this will achieve the intercession of the Prophet ﷺ on the Day of Judgment. So who in his right mind would jeopardize this great reward and pray fard or sunnah when he can delay this couple of minutes until the adhan is over and he says the dua and then prays? Nevertheless, if a person insists and prays fard or nafil while the adhan is being called, the prayer is totally valid.